Wednesday, October 20th, 4:14 p.m. New York time. Stock markets closed. I made one day trade today. It was bullish. I entered my position at 10:06 a.m. and I closed at 10:36 for profits a little more than 50%. It was the S&P 500, my day trading go-to day trading product. Let's first look at the cash index of the S&P 500 on the weekly time frame since the end of Wednesday. Look what we're doing. Current week candles green, higher high, higher low than prior week. The trend is up, bullish bias above the round number of 4,500. Let's go intraday daily chart. Daily chart also green, higher high, higher low. Gunning for that all-time high right there, that yellow horizontal line. Swing high, all-time high. So still bullish bias. Got a couple of gaps down here that haven't been filled. Significant gap there, there. Yeah, I need to label them. I'll label them sometime later. Let's look at the intraday chart on the 1 minute from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time. The 1 minute chart. Look at my entry. Entry is here, like I mentioned, 10:06. My exit was there. Wow, looking now, just shy of all-time high of the day. I got out. Good job out of me. Thank goodness. This orange horizontal line was the strike I used. Yep, I traded options in the S&P 500 futures, and I did bull put spreads. My short strike was 45.52. And look at this. I camped out and tested it. Well, if I stayed in the trade, I would have made max profit because they expired today. I didn't stay in because that was not my goal. But the risk was, this could have gone lower and then I could have been red for the day. Let's just zoom in and look at the entry. Okay, here's my entry. So we had this consolidation here on the 1 minute. That was giving me an idea of what short strike I want to use. The short strike was below here. And this was a demand zone. I had to break up this impulse move to the upside. We did not take out this first push up, did not take out the quarters, the gray horizontal line, 45.25. We had that retracement. That retracement, building consolidation, I was liking that because I saw this as building calls for the next move up higher, hopefully. And we did, went higher. Yeah, let's go forward a little time, a little bit. And when we went forward higher, finally broke above, retracement, ran up. And look at here. I was suspicious. That impulse move up, 1 minute, inside bar right there. Next candle, lower, lower, lower high. I was getting more concerned that I thought we were going to be rolling over lower. That was one reason I closed my trade. Also, I had a working order on to close my trade for 50%, and then I moved it up a little bit higher. Let's look at the 5 minute candles now. So the 5 minutes, this is where I used my trigger to enter the trade at this particular time. I saw this, 3 little candles, strong upward move, impulse move up. This retracement I saw here, I was like, okay, this retracement's looking bullish bias because it's coming down on weakness. And then I did not go long on this green candle because the next candle did not do what I wanted. So next candle, thank goodness I did not enter that. Next candle made a lower, lower, lower high. Buyers stepped in here. I still wasn't confident to trade long yet. So when that candle got done, I was thinking, okay, if the next candle, 5 minute candle, trades above that, turns green, I'm going to enter with my thought process using the strike down here. And I like I mentioned on the 1 minute, but we're looking at the 5 minute, that consolidation point. And that's what happened. This candle, 5 minute candle went up. So I took the trade, went above that. Yep. So now looking here, again, 5 minute candle, that red candle was a pin bar, happened to be a bullish pin bar, the bottom of a trend. That happened to work out as a good trade location for me. And that 5 minute candles, look at that yellow inside candle because the solid body was red. And again, that happened to be the high of the day. And look at this, another opportunity to re-enter if I was trading, bullish pin bar. Interesting. Right there it went to. Yeah. And this gray hair area happened to be the overnight high, that gray horizontal line. Let's look at the 15-minute. Each of these candles 15 minutes. So I did get in on that momentum to the upside. And look at this on the 15-minute candle when I was watching this too. That's a white candle. That white candle means the open and close the same price. The type of candle is considered a dodgy candle. On top of a trend, that's considered bearish, potential reversal. That's what happened. It reversed, hard sell-off, but I got out for the hard sell-off 15-minute. Then we went in quite a bit of time testing this quarters 45.25, great horizontal line there, building consolidation, but finally broke through it. Fast move up. Look at that on this 15-minute candle. Again, another bullish pin bar. Interesting there. Significant buyer stepped in there to get in there. Yep. So we'll look in here just on those 3 time frames, the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minutes. We'll go in right there. Here we go in 1 minute. That was my trade for the day. Good money management. I did not stay in for max, and because the options expired today, I took advantage of those to be trading directional with time decay. So if you like what I'm sharing, how about clicking that like below? If you want to get notification when the next video is, if you subscribe and hit that bell after, you'll get notification when my next video is posted.